What is going on, fellow beginners and wannabe crypto traders? Let's not waste any more time and start once again with our daily updates, where I show you on the crypto market what is happening, what you should look out for, and what is gonna be happening on the next days. Let's jump straight into this. Alright, and just like that, we are in the 1 hourly time frame of BTC right now, which is looking super strong in one case that it was bouncing from here. But now on the other side, we are seeing a little bit of local downtrend. We did have this very steep downtrend resistance right here. It got broken off. Now, if we do connect this resistance with that one right there, and we put it like this, we do see that we do have at least 3 touching points. My algo is also giving us a sell signal right here. So I wouldn't mind if we see something like that, our well-known arc pattern once again. Then it goes to here, maybe it scams a little bit down, and then it just continues more to the upside. Now, why am I saying that? Because we do see here a little bit of a downtrend. We cannot really take this one here, so we would have to put it right here. And then if it breaks down from this one, as you know, wedges are very scam worthy, so we would have to watch out on that. Obviously, we are still in a bigger uptrend, especially if you quickly go over into the 4 hourly time frame. You can see the green uptrend right here that has been shown by my algo is still intact. So the shorts are literally just very short-lived, but you have to be prepared for those. And now on to Ethereum on the 1 hourly once again. And here we see a very similar pattern as we just saw on BTC. We had a very long and tedious downtrend, which then finally broke out, got scammed down, and scammed back up again. Yes, this actually happened. And right now, we are just making a continuation of lower highs. That means this is our high, that's a lower high, that's a lower high, that's a lower high, that's a lower high. But our lows right here are actually keeping up a little bit. So that means we have here a higher low, another higher low. Not as many higher lows as we do have lower highs, which means that the downtrend is a little bit more prominent on this one. Now, we do have our fail-safe support right here, as we're basically still inside of this range. These here being our deviations, so the top and the bottom. So basically, we just stay within the range, and then unless we break out of the range and literally retest it, it's just a very simple range play. I don't think I need to explain this any more often to you guys. And just like that, we are in the 1 hourly time frame of Litecoin. And Litecoin right here is having a lot of fun. Based as you were seeing that the other coins were all trending down on that time, Litecoin was right here trending to the upside. It hit its other, like, even bigger range resistance right there. And at the moment as well, we are just seeing a very flat resistance, which is usually quite good because the sellers at some point are going to be exhausted right here. And what we are seeing here is our low, which is down here. Then we have another low, which is a higher low. And then once again, a higher low. So we are moving to the upside and squeezing into the resistance, where at some point the sellers are going to run out of coins to sell. And then boom, it's going to be happening like that. And then we're going to be most likely having a nice pump. Obviously, as we are traders, we cannot be biased in any direction. We have to take into consideration that we are going to be creating another higher low, possibly, or maybe even scam through this area right here, through this level at $87, before then finally moving to the upside. And now over to Solana on the 1 hourly time frame. Right here, Solana, as you can see, we have the beautiful range of the red and the green, which is marking out our top and the bottom ranges. And right here, it is actually breaking above the range. So at this very moment, we are on a breakout. But obviously, we're looking for a retest. And this retest has to be successful. This means we want to see a bullish reaction from this retest. Obviously, we cannot put the retest on just one level. This is why we put mostly these boxes. So because we have a little range of the levels right here. So what I'm expecting at the moment is just a little bit more movement to the downside. And then just like a fat move to the upside towards the $25. Because we are actually starting to break out right here. And as you can see, this beautiful retest would also align with the current uptrend right here that we do see on Solana. Oh, 1 second. Let's put it like this. Then that would be the perfect retest. And then boom, $25 over the weekend. Beautiful, beautiful trade for anybody who likes Solana a lot. And now, just to touch on the meme coins a little bit, we're looking at Doge right here, and it is looking strong as hell, as all the meme coins are at the very moment. This one is the OG meme, and it's looking very, very nice, to be honest. And what is happening right here, once again, we have a flat resistance, which has been going on for pretty much the entirety of this week. We have the next level of resistance right here. This is our TP level right here because it's the mid-range once again. So as soon as we are able to break inside of this range, it's gonna be sweet, sweet Doge for all of us. All right, guys. Now, as a final note to you boys, it is meme coin season at the moment. These memes, they are going crazy. You see a 10x, you see a 20x left and right and there. Most important thing is, don't overcomplicate it. Don't believe that you're going to be finding the next Doge, the next Floki, or whatever. My strategy on this is very, very easy. You take a small amount, let's say you take even $100, and with the $100 you put into all the meme coins that you see and take a look at that you believe are going to be pumping. Now, every time the same amount, as soon as you hit a 2x or a little bit more, you take out that amount, and now you have your $100 to work on another meme coin. Now, while that first one is still ongoing, it's okay. You let it go. You write it. You have fun. You type in TG. You read the tweets. Whatever. It's fine. But don't go all in into these meme coins, because there's a lot of times where this shit just fucks. That's it. It's gone completely. Or even worse, with Honeybot, it looks like it's going up and up and up and up, but you cannot sell it. So don't forget that one. And about the meme coins, if you want to see some stuff that I'm aping in, join my Telegram channel. I'm just putting out whatever I see that makes sense. Got wrecked on that one. Got a couple of 10x's in that one as well. It's pretty much the same as if you would do it yourself. So yeah, watch out for that one. There is a lot of money to be made on this, but you have to make it with a little bit of sense in your head. All right, boys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.